Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about some great scientists as well as their inventions and discoveries. J.C. Bose, 1858 to 1937. J.C. Bose developed apparatus for generating ultra-short electromagnetic waves and studied their quasi-optical properties. He was said to be the first to employ a semiconductor like a galena as a self-recovering detector of electromagnetic waves. Bose published 3 papers in the British magazine The Electrician in 1895. His invention was published in the Proceeding of the Royal Society on 27th April 1899, over 2 years prior to Marconi's first wireless communication on 30th December 1901. Bose also invented highly sensitive instruments for the detection of minute responses by living organisms to external stimuli and established parallelism between animal and plant tissues. Max Planck. Max Planck was a German theoretical physicist born on 23rd April 1858 and died on 4th October 1947. Max Planck originated quantum theory. Max Planck made many contributions to theoretical physics, but his fame rests primarily on his role as originator of the quantum theory. Quantum theory revolutionized human understanding of atomic and subatomic process. Honors to Max Planck are: he honored with the Copley Medal in 1929, Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918. Leo Hendrik Bekeland, 1863 to 1944. Leo Hendrik Bekeland is a Belgian scientist. Hendrik Bekeland invented bakelite. In 1907, he was working as a chemist. By accident, he discovered the compound of carbolic acid and formaldehyde. When he tried to reheat the solidified compound, he discovered it would not melt no matter how high the temperature would be. Bekeland is considered as the father of present plastic industry. He discovered the durable plastic in 1907. Ernest Rutherford, 1871 to 1937. Rutherford was born on 30th August 1871 in Nelson, New Zealand and died on 19th October 1937. Rutherford was a pioneer of nuclear physics and the first to split the atom. In 1895, as the first research student at the University of Cambridge Cavendish Laboratory in London, Rutherford identified a simpler and more commercial viable means of detecting radio waves that had been previously established by German physicist Heinrich Hertz. Together, Rutherford and J.J. Thomson studied the effect of X-rays on the conductivity of gases, resulting in a paper about dividing atoms and molecules into ions. Rutherford labeled the two radiation types as alpha and beta. By 1919, he made another monumental discovery: how to artificially induce a nuclear reaction in a stable element. Awards. Rutherford was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1908 in chemistry for his theory of atomic structure. Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955. Albert Einstein, one of the great physicists, born in the year 1879 in Ulm, Germany. In the year 1905, he published 3 path-breaking papers. In the first paper, he introduced the motion of light quanta, now called photons, are used to explain the features of photoelectric effect. In the second paper, he developed a theory of Brownian motion, confirmed experimentally a few years later, provided a convincing evidence of the atomic picture of matter. The third paper gave birth to a special theory of relativity. In 1916, he published the General Theory of Relativity. Contributions of Einstein. The motion of stimulated emission introduced in an alternative derivation of Planck's blackbody radiation law. Static model of the universe which started modern cosmology. Quantum statistics of a gas of massive bosons. A critical analysis of the foundation of quantum mechanics. Awards. Awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his contribution to the theoretical physics and the photoelectric effect. Hermann Staudinger, 1881 to 1965. Hermann Staudinger is a German chemist. Hermann in 1920 made an important step forwarding in the processing of synthetic material when he developed thermoplastics which are stable in themselves. He won the Nobel Prize in 1953 for demonstrating that polymers are long chain molecules. Niels Henrik David Bohr, 1885 to 1962. Niels Henrik David Bohr was a Danish physicist. He was named the director of the Institute of Theoretical Physics in 1920. At the First World War, Bohr worked energetically for peaceful uses of atomic energy. He presented his work in 115 publications. 3 are appearing as books in English. The Theory of Spectra and Atomic Constitution, 1922, Atomic Theory and the Description of Nature, 1934, The Unity of Knowledge, 1955. Awards. Bohr made foundational contributions to understanding atomic structure and quantum theory, for which he received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1922. He received the Atoms for Peace Award in 1957. Henry Gwyn Jeffreys Moseley, 1887 to 1915. H.J. Moseley was born on 23rd November 1887 in the town of Weymouth, England. Henry Moseley was an outstanding skilled experimental physicist. He proved that every element identified is uniquely determined by the number of protons it has in 1930. Discovered existence of 4 new chemical elements, all of which were found. Atomic number is more fundamental characteristic of an element than its atomic weight. The periodic law is changed from atomic weight concept to atomic number concept, and now it is called modern periodic law. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, 1888 to 1970. Sir C.V. Raman was born at Thiruvannaikaval near Tiruchirappalli, Madras Presidency. In 1934, Raman became the director of Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. In 1949, Raman established the Raman Research Institute in Bangalore. Investigations. On 20th February 1928, through his experiments on the scattering of light, he discovered a phenomena in spectroscopy, later named as Raman effect. Raman discovery gave further proof of the quantum nature of light. Raman spectroscopy is based on this phenomena. Raman's other investigations are experimental and theoretical studies on the diffraction of light by acoustic waves of ultrasonic and hypersonic frequencies, on the effects produced by X-rays on infrared vibrations in crystals exposed to ordinary light. Awards. Raman won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the scattering of light in 1930. Louis Victor de Broglie, 1892 to 1987. De Broglie, French physicist who in 1924 put forth a revolutionary idea of wave-particle duality. His theories were confined by the discovery of electron diffraction by crystals in 1927 by Davison and Shermer. The idea of wave-particle duality was further developed by Erwin Schrödinger into a full-fledged theory of quantum mechanics, commonly known as wave mechanics. Broglie was conferred with the Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery of the wave nature of electrons. Broglie also awarded for the first Kalinga Prize by UNESCO in 1952 for his efforts to explain aspects of modern physics to the layman. Broglie's other works were Dirac's electron theory, the general theory of spin particles, applications of wave mechanics to nuclear physics. Linus Pauling, 1901 to 1994. Linus Carl Pauling, 20th February 1901 to 19th August 1994, the world's one of the great scientists and a great humanist. Pauling was American and acknowledged as the most influential chemist. He is the only person able to receive 2 unshared Nobel Prizes for chemistry, 1954, and for peace, 1962. He published more than 1200 papers and books. Pauling was one of the founders of fields of quantum chemistry and molecular biology. Homi Jehangir Bhabha, 1909 to 1966. Homi J. Bhabha, 30th October 1909, 24th January 1966, was a nuclear physicist, founding director and a professor of TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. He is also known as the father of Indian nuclear program. Baba was also founding director of Baba Atomic Research Center. For his scientific paper, The Observation of Cosmic Radiation, Baba received his doctorate in nuclear physics 1933. Baba accepted a post of reader in physics in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, headed by Sir C.V. Raman. Baba was the first chairman of Atomic Energy Commission 1948. In the year 1950, Baba represented India in IAEA conference and served as president of the UN conference on the peaceful uses of atomic energy in Geneva in 1955. Baba's major contribution included his work on Compton scattering, R process, and further more the advancement of nuclear physics. Baba awarded the Padma Bhushan by Government of India in 1954. Chintamani Nagesa Ramachandra Rao, 1934. C.N.R. Rao was born in Bangalore on 30th June 1934. He completed his PhD in 1958, only after 2 years and 9 months at the age of 24. Rao is an eminent scientist and well recognized international authority on solid state and material chemistry. He is currently the head of a scientific advisory council to the Prime Minister of India. Some of the major area of his research are translation metal oxide system, hybrid materials and nanomaterials including nanotubes and graphene. Awards. Rao was awarded Hughes Medal by Royal Society in 2000 and he was first recipient of Indian Science Award in 2004. Rao was awarded Bharat Ratna by Government of India in the year 2013. APJ Abdul Kalam. Sir Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu and passed away at Simla on 27th July 2015. Kalam studied in St. Joseph College in Tiruchipalli and completed aeronautical engineering in Madras Institute of Technology. Underwent training in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bangalore and NASA in USA. 1963 to 1982, he served as the Indian Space Research Organization in various capacities. He was responsible for sending Rohini satellite into Earth's orbit using SLV-3. In 1982, he became director of Defense Research Development Laboratory DRDL Hyderabad. He was entrusted with the organization of Integrated Guided Missiles Development Program. He was responsible for the flight testing of the missiles Prithvi, Trishul, Akash, Nag and Agni. In 1992, he took charge as a scientific advisor to Defence Minister, Government of India, devised the Arjun tank. 1999 to 2001, Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India. Dr. Kalam was the 11th President of India, 2002 to 2007. Awards and recognitions. Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in 1997 for the contribution in the field of scientific research, development and modernization of technology in the defense sector of India. Padma Vibhushan in 1990, Padma Bhushan in 1981, Veera Savarkar Award in 1998, Ramanjana Award in 2000, about 30 honorary doctorates. Dr. Kalam, along with Dr. B. Somaraju, cardiologist, designed the Kamal Raju stent, a device to be placed in coronary arteries at a complimentary modest price. Books written by Abdul Kalam are India 2020, Ignited Minds, Inspiring Thoughts, Indomitable Spirit, Wings of Fire, popular book The Luminous Sparks, Mission India, You Are Born to Blossom, Target 3 Billion, My Journey, etc. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.